Hi guys, how are you? So today we are going to talk about product rule. So a product rule is the general equation dy over dx is equals to u derivative v plus u v derivative. So a product is a multiplication of two variables. For example, if we have x minus 1, x plus 1. So we have a multiplication. So the first term, we name it our u. The second term, we name it our v. Then we'll say let u be x minus 1 and we let v be x plus 1. Let us find the u derivative. What is the derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1. Why? Because x, it has an invisible 1. We subtract a 1. It will be x to the power 0. Anything to the power 0, it gives us 1. So that is why the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of a constant, it is 0. Similarly, the derivative of v, it will be 1. Now we come and apply the formula dy over dx. What is our u prime? Our u prime is 1. What is our v? It's x plus 1. We add. What is our u? Our u is x minus 1. What is our v? Is 1. Then the final answer, we have x plus 1 plus x minus 1. X plus x is 2x. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is our final answer. This is our final answer. This is how we do the product rule. The first term always is our u. The second term is our v. Let me give you another example. Now we have x to the power 3 and x plus 1, everything to the power 4. So the first term, remember, y is equals to. The first term, remember, is our u. The second term is our v. So let u be equals to x cubed and let v be equal to x plus 1 to the power 4. Now let us find u derivative. So this 3 will come here. You will have 3x. What is 3 minus 1? It is 2. Now v prime still, we'll let this come here. We'll have 4 into x plus 1. What is 4 minus 1? It is 3. Now we come and apply the formula dy over dx. It is equals to, what is our u prime? Our u prime is 3x squared. You multiply by v, which is x plus 1 to the power 4, plus what is our u? Our u is x cubed, multiply by the derivative of v, which is 4 into x plus 1, everything to the power 3. So this is how you do it. From here you can simplify. There's no problem. You can simplify if you want to, no problem. Let us go to example number 3. You can pause the video and try it on your own. Y is equals to 5x sine 2x. So the first term, it is our u. The second term, it is our v. So u is 5x. V is sine 2x. So what is our u prime? Derivative of 5x, it is 5. Derivative of v prime, what is the derivative of sine? It is cos 2x. Now we multiply by the angle, by the function. What is the derivative of 2x? It is 2. So our answer, it will be 2 cos 2x. We now come and apply the formula dy over dx. What is our u prime? Our u prime is 5 times v. V is sine 2x plus, what is our u? Our u is 5x. What is the derivative of v? It is 2 cos 2x. From here you can simplify, there's no problem. I was just showing steps on how do we solve a product rule. How do you solve differentiation using a product rule? Number D, y is equals to e to the power pi x into cos 2 pi x. Now, this is our u, this is our v. U is equals to e pi x, v is equals to cos 2 pi x. Now, let us find the derivative of u. How do you differentiate an e function? You copy everything that you have, you multiply by the derivative. What is the derivative of pi x? It is pi. Your answer, it will be e pi x pi. Now, what is the derivative of v? It's minus sine 2 pi x. You now multiply by the derivative of the function. What is the derivative of 2 pi x? It is 2 pi. Our answer is minus 2 pi sine 2 pi x. Now, let us come to apply the formula. Dy over dx is equals to, what is our u prime? Our u prime is e pi x multiplied by pi. Now, what is our v? Our v, it is cos 2 pi x plus, what is our u? Our u is e to the power pi x multiplied by the derivative of v, which is minus 2 pi sine 2 pi x. So the final answer, it will be pi e pi x cos 2 pi x minus 2 pi e pi x sine 2 pi x. If you want to simplify, you can continue. You will keep out the common factor, which is e to the power ex, e to the power ex. This is your common factor. Even if you can leave it like this, there is no problem. The last one, please try this one. You can pause the video and try. Check if you'll be able to get it. Check. Number E, you have y is equals to 2 log x 2 to the power 3x. So the first one is our u, the second one is our v. Now u, it will be 2 log x and v will be 2 to the power 3x. What is our u prime? How do we differentiate a log? We take the coefficient here, we take the function, we say x ln 10 because there's an invisible 10 here. We multiply by the derivative of this, which is 1. We come to v prime. This, you copy whatever that you have, you introduce a ln base. What is our base? Is 2. You multiply by the derivative of the exponent, which is 3. So your answer will be 3 into 2 to the power 3x ln 2. Now, be careful. You do not say ln 2 multiplied by 3. Please don't. It is going to make everything to be incorrect. So we come to the formula. Dy over dx is equals to, what is our u prime? Our u prime, it is 2 over x ln 10 multiplied by v, which is 2 to the power 3x, plus, what is our u? Our u is 2 log x multiplied by v prime. What is our v prime? It is 3 into 2x. Sorry, 2 into 3x ln 2. This is how we solve product rule questions. Thank you. This was Precious Mind.